Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Something that I've really come to rely on for my everyday nutrition is this hydrolyzed collagen from Offer Nova. With consistent use every day, I've noticed that my nails are getting longer and stronger. But even more than that, I know that the long-term benefits are going to be really good for me. Making a habit of incorporating this into my everyday use is definitely going to help my flexibility and mobility. It's also going to help my joints and bones, and I'm going to continue to see that benefit to my nails, my hair, and my skin, and just overall health. What sets this collagen apart from other collagens is because it is hydrolyzed. So hydrolyzation breaks down the collagen protein's amino acid chains, and that makes the nutrients easier to digest and for your body to use it even faster. I appreciate that it doesn't hurt my stomach when I use it, and it truly is unflavored. In fact, my husband was super surprised when I put it into his coffee, and he couldn't taste it at all. So if you're looking for a high quality hydrolyzed collagen that comes from 100% pasture raised animals, I recommend this one from Offer Nova, and that's my point of view.